Next, we discussed about the other reactions of aldehydes and ketones. In the previous class, we discussed up to aldol condensation reaction. The other reactions involves first one, Cannisaro's reaction. The aldehydes without alpha hydrogen atom undergo self-oxidation and reduction reaction on heating with a concentrated alkali to form an alcohol and a salt of carboxylic acid. This reaction is known as Cannisaro's reaction. That means aldehydes without alpha hydrogen atom undergo Cannisaro's reaction. The aldehydes and ketones with alpha hydrogen atom undergo aldol condensation. That is the difference between these two reactions. So, for example, this is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, HCHO. This do not consist of alpha hydrogen atom. React with another molecule of formaldehyde or methanol in presence of concentrated alkali. But in the case of aldol condensation, it is dilute alkali we take. But in this case, we take concentrated alkali on heating. Then here one will undergo reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Here total one molecule of hydrogen is added here. Already see two hydrogen atoms are there and one O is there, but two hydrogen atoms are added here. So addition of hydrogen is reduction. So one is the reduced product and other one is the oxidized product. Listen here, that is C, one H is there and one hydrogen is removed and already one double bond is here, but one oxygen is also added here. That means this is oxidized product because one additional oxygen is added here, and this is the reduced product because H2 is already added in this product. So that is Cannisaro's reaction. Aldehydes without alpha hydrogen atom undergo self-oxidation and self-reduction on heating with the concentrated alkali. So the reduced product is an alcohol and the oxidized product is the salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium or potassium salt of corresponding carboxylic acid. Next one is electrophilic substitution reaction. Aldehydes and ketones are meta-directing group. So this electrophilic substitution takes place on meta position. So this is an aldehyde. Aldehyde concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid is added at 273 to 283 Kelvin nitration. So NO2 group is substituted in the meta position because this aldehydic functional group is a meta-directing group. So this is the ortho position, aldehydic group carbon. So this neighbor is ortho position. The next one meta position. This one is the para position. So the electrophilic substitution takes place in the meta position. So this is first carbon 2 3. So 3 nitrobenzaldehyde or meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. So electrophilic substitution reaction takes place on meta position. Next our portion is the method of preparation of carboxylic acid. First method of preparation is from primary alcohols. Alcohols on oxidation, that means RCH2OH, on oxidation in presence of alkaline KMnO4 followed by hydrolysis. Then here the removal of hydrogen and addition of oxygen takes place. C, this hydrogen is removed and oxygen is added, that is known as oxidation. So here H2 is removed and O is added here, then we get RCOOH, that is a product, RCOOH. That alcohols on oxidation we get carboxylic acid. Next one from aldehydes. Aldehydes on oxidation in presence of nitric acid or potassium permanganate. That means any oxidizing agent, aldehydes are oxidized to corresponding carboxylic acids. Then third one is from alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene means benzene ring, any alkyl group is attached. This is methyl group, this is propyl group, etc. Any one alkyl group is attached, they are known as alkyl benzene. Then this is methyl benzene, this is propyl benzene, etc. So methyl benzene, commonly known as toluene, on treating with alkaline KMnO4 followed by hydrolysis, then we get benzoic acid. The CH3 group changes to COOH group. That means hydrogen is removed and oxygen is added here, then we get benzoic acid. In the case of this propyl benzene also, this alkaline KMnO4 heating followed by hydrolysis, we get benzoic acid. That means any number of carbon atoms attached to the benzene ring, then the oxidized product only benzoic acid. Methyl benzene on oxidation followed by hydrolysis, we get benzoic acid. Then ethyl benzene on oxidation followed by hydrolysis also we get benzoic acid. Then propyl benzene oxidation followed by hydrolysis, then we get only benzoic acid. Then is irrespective of the number of alkyl group attached to the benzene ring, the oxidation followed by hydrolysis, we get only benzoic acid. That is the importance of this reaction. Then next one from cyanides, or cyanides otherwise known as nitriles and amides. You know, cyanides on hydrolysis, here this oxygen atom is added here and hydrogen is added here. Then we get RCONH2. This is H2O. So RCONH2. This is an amide. CONH2. This is an amide which on hydrolysis, then here the bond break. OH is added here and H is added here. Then we get RCOOH plus NH3. So this is the major product. So we need to write this RCOH only because we study the method of preparation of carboxylic acid. Next method of preparation is from amides. That is, CONH2 group is amide group. Then CH3CONH2, this is ethanamide on hydrolysis. Acid catalyzed hydrolysis, that means H3O plus. Similarly, it is on hydrolysis. Then what here the bond breaks and OH is added from water here and H is added, H2O. So we get the major product CH3COOH plus NH3. CH3COOH plus NH3. So this is the hydrolysis of amides. Then another example, this benzamide. Benzene with the CONH2 group is benzamide. Here the bond break on hydrolysis. Then OH is added here and H is added. Then we get benzene ring with the COOH plus benzoic acid plus ammonia NH3. So this is the method of preparation from cyanides and amides. Next method of preparation is from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is RMgX. Alkyl magnesium halide are known as Grignard reagent. On treating with the carbon dioxide, write like this, C double bond O, double bond O. Then this carbon dioxide is written like this for getting the product. One carbon with a double bond O, another double bond O is separated like this. Double bond, one with O. Then you know this carbon end is positive and oxygen end is negative. Then in this Grignard reagent, magnesium end is positive because magnesium is highly electropositive metal, so the alkyl end is negative. Then the positive end is attracted towards the negative end, oxygen end, so that is MgX. Carbon end is positive, so R minus is attracted towards the carbon end. Then which on hydrolysis, here the bond break and H is added here and OH is added here, H2O. Then we get the product C double bond O, R is there already, C double bond O, R is there, then on bond with OH. This is the minor product, we don't need, so we don't write. Then we get RCOOH, RCOOH. This is the carboxylic acid, RC double bond O, single bond OH. This is the carboxylic acid. This is the method of preparation from Grignard reagent. Next method of preparation is from acid chloride. Acid chloride, you know, CH3COCl or generally RCOCl. On hydrolysis, then here the bond break, OH is added here, H is added here, then we get RCOOH. This is the major product. Next one from esters. Esters on hydrolysis, we get corresponding carboxylic acid. This is ethyl benzoate, example for ester. Then here the benzene ring with the COO, C2H5, ethyl benzoate. Then here the bond breaks on hydrolysis, H is added here, OH is added here. Then we get benzene ring with the COOH plus C2H5OH. This is ethanol. This is benzoic acid, this is ethanol. This is our major product, benzoic acid. Then the physical properties of these carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are higher boiling liquids than aldehydes, ketones, and even alcohols of comparable molecular masses. This is due to the extensive association of acid molecules through intermolecular hydrogen bonding. These hydrogen bonds cannot be broken completely even in vapor phase. So, due to the strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding between the acid molecules, they have high boiling point compared to alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, etc. Solubility in water. Simple carboxylic acids having up to 4 carbon atoms are soluble in water due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonds with the water. Lower members are soluble in water due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonds with water. Chemical reactions of carboxylic acids. First, the reaction involving COOH group. Carboxylic acids are RCOOH. Then the chemical reaction involving COOH group are first we discussed. First one, reduction reaction. Reduction reaction means RCOH on reduction by using reducing agents such as lithium aluminum hydride or diborane. Any one we use followed by hydrolysis, then we get RCH2OH. Listen here. Here one oxygen is removed and hydrogen molecule is added, then we get RCH2OH. Oxygen is removed and H2 is added, RCH2OH. That means carboxylic acid on reduction yield corresponding alcohols. Next one, decarboxylation reaction. The sodium salt of carboxylic acid heating with NaOH and calcium oxide, that means soda lime, in 3:1 ratio, then the following reaction takes place here. Na2CO3 elimination. Na2CO3 become eliminated and this remaining H is attached to this R group. Then we get RH plus Na2CO3. This reaction is known as decarboxylation reaction. The second type of reaction is substitution reaction in the hydrocarbon part. Example of carboxylic acid is CH3COOH. This hydrocarbon part, the reaction involved, then first one is halogenation. Carboxylic acid having alpha hydrogen atom are halogenated with the chlorine or bromine in presence of small amount of red phosphorus to give alpha halocarboxylic acid. This reaction is known as Hell-Volhard-Selinsky reaction or simply HVZ reaction. Very important one in the board exam point of view. What is HVZ reaction? Hell-Volhard-Selinsky reaction. That is carboxylic acid with alpha hydrogen atom. This is carboxylic acid carbon. Attaching carbon is the alpha carbon. Attaching hydrogen is alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen on chlorination or bromination in presence of red phosphorus followed by hydrolysis yield. This one alpha hydrogen is removed from here and the halogen atom is substituted here. So, this one hydrogen is removed or replaced by one halogen atom, chlorine or bromine. Then we get RCHCl, RCHCl, remaining COOH is present. We get alpha chlorocarboxylic acid or alpha bromocarboxylic acid. This reaction is known as Hell-Wolfhard-Zelinsky reaction. Carboxylic acids having alpha hydrogen atoms are chlorinated or brominated in presence of red phosphorus. Then we get alpha chloro or bromo substituted carboxylic acid. This reaction is known as Hell-Wolfhard-Zelinsky reaction. Then the next one is ring substitution reaction. Carboxylic acids undergo electrophilic substitution reaction in which the carboxyl group acts as a meta-directing group. Similar to aldehyde, this carboxylic group also a meta-directing group. So the incoming group goes to the meta position. For example, is benzoic acid on bromination. Then this bromine atom is substituted on meta position because carboxyl group is a meta-directing group. So this bromine is substituted on meta position. We get meta-bromobenzoic acid. This is the ortho position. This is the meta position. But the carboxylic acid do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because the carboxyl group is a deactivating group and the catalyst aluminum chloride gets bonded to the carboxyl group. So you know Friedel-Crafts reaction, the catalyst we used is anhydrous aluminum chloride. Then carboxylic acid is taken to undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Then this catalyst will react with the carboxyl group. So carboxylic acid do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Next, third category of reaction is reactions involving the cleavage of COH bond. We know this carboxyl group can be written as RC double bond OH. Then here the bond breaking between COH bond, cleavage. Cleavage means breaking. This bond breaking we discussed now. First one, formation of anhydride. Example, acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Another molecule of acetic acid, CH3COH, CH3COOH. On reaction in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid heating or phosphorus pentoxide heating, both are dehydrating agent. So from here these two molecules are reacted and from this one molecule H and other molecule OH react to form water molecule elimination. Then in between the bond is formed. Then we get CH3COO COCH3 plus water is eliminated. That is from the two molecules of acetic acid, H2O become eliminated. H2O become eliminated. Then we get CH3COO COCH3. This is known as acetic anhydride or ethanoic anhydride. Next one, esterification reaction. You know what are esters? A carboxylic acid and alcohol react to form esters, pleasant fruity smelling substance. Carboxylic acid react with alcohol to form. Here also the water molecule elimination H2O. Then the remaining are COO R dash COO R dash plus water. These products are known as esters. A typical example, acetic acid plus ethanol. Carboxylic acid plus alcohol giving pleasant fruity smelling substance known as esters. So here also the water molecule elimination takes place H2. Then the remaining CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O. So these are known as esterification reaction. Next, reaction with the PCl5, PCl3 and thionyl chloride. Is carboxylic acid on treating with the PCl5, then we get corresponding acid chloride RCOCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Then RCOH plus PCl3 giving RCOCl plus H3PO3. RCOH plus SOCl2 thionyl chloride gives RCOCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Then this thionyl chloride is preferred for the preparation of this acid chloride because other byproducts are gases. These two are gases, so easily eliminated from the reaction mixture. Then the purification is easy. We get pure acid chlorides. Next one in this category, reaction with ammonia. Then acetic acid plus ammonia Then here the total ammonia molecule is added here. Then CH3COO, NH3 plus this H is added to this, then NH4, CH3COO, NH4. This is ammonium acetate. This is ammonium salt, which on heating, then a water molecule is eliminated from here. 1O and H2 from here. H2O elimination, then remaining CO, NH2. Then we get CH3CO, NH2. We get an amide. Another reaction, benzoic acid plus ammonia. Then also here first ammonia is added here. COONH4, ammonium benzoate, which on heating water molecule eliminated O and H2 from here, then remaining CONH2 is attached here. Then we get benzamide. Next one, this is phthalic acid. Benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid is known as phthalic acid. Phthalic acid on treating with ammonia, then this COH group ammonia is added, then we get COONH4, COONH4, and this carboxyl group NH3 is added, then also we get COONH4. Here two molecules of ammonia is reacted, which on heating from here one water molecule H2O elimination remaining CONH2. Here also one water molecule elimination H2O, then we get CONH2. It is known as phthalamide, which on strong heating, then from this one ammonia molecule is eliminated, NH2 plus here from one hydrogen atom, then NH3 elimination, then the remaining is here CO is there, here CO is there, remaining NH with bond. So ammonia molecule elimination, then this become bonded like this CONH-CO. So this is known as phthalimide. You know Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. This is the major reactant. So phthalimide. Next category of reaction involving cleavage of OH bond. RC double bond OH. Here the OH bond is there. Here the cleavage of this OH bond. Now we discuss. First one, acidity. So you know carboxylic acids are acids. So examples, reactions with metals and alkalis. RCOH, carboxylic acid react with metallic sodium. Then RCONA plus hydrogen gas is eliminated. That is acid react with metal. Then the common product is hydrogen gas. RCOH plus NaOH, they react with alkalis. NaOH, alkali. Then we get here the water is eliminated like this, H2O. H2O, then remaining RCOONA, RCOONA plus H2O, that is salt plus water, acid plus alkali, then we get salt plus water. Then RCOH plus sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, then we get RCOONA plus carbon dioxide plus water. This is a test to distinguish carboxylic acid, because this carboxylic acid on treating with the sodium bicarbonate, then we get a brisk effervescence of this carbon dioxide gas, then we can assign it is a carboxylic functional group is present in that particular compound.